Hi, we are looking at the question number 17 of energetics of IB Diploma Chemistry HL. Okay. So we have been asked that out of those four reactions, okay, which are the one which are resulting into increase in the entropy. So first of all, we should be aware of what is mean by entropy. What is mean by entropy? Entropy means nothing but the randomness or disorder. What is mean by disorder? Disorder means basically there is no orderly arrangement of the molecules. And as we know, whenever there is a phase change, the disorder or randomness changes. That is one of the characteristics of the phase change. For example, if we are going from solid to liquid, clearly solid there is an orderly arrangement, and when we go into the liquid there is definitely a disorder. So definitely when we go from solid to liquid there is an increase in the entropy because of the increase in the disorder. That is the concept, simple. Or from liquid to gas, further disorder increase. So this is how we can look into. So let's now re-look into the question. First, CO2 gas to CO2 solid. Straightforward, there is a decrease. There is a decrease in the entropy, decrease in the disorder. From gaseous to solid, there is a drop in the disorder, or it becomes orderly. That means there is a decrease in the entropy. SF6 gaseous to SF6 liquid, again, we can clearly see there is a decrease in the entropy. Liquid to solid water, doesn't matter, again, decrease. NaCl solid to NaCl liquid, we know that as from NaCl, which is a crystalline solid, ionic solid, it goes into, when we convert into the aqueous form, it basically goes into the dissociate into ions, and there is a lot of disorder. So there is an increase in the entropies. The correct answer is D. Quite simple, based on the simple concept of increase in the, what do you mean by entropy? Hope it is quite clear to you. If you are interested in looking into similar kind of interesting question, please do visit our website, leadib.com. The link has been given in the description. Thank you.